Hello, folks. This is Dr. Joyce Taylor, and I'm going to give you a brief overview of the syllabus so you will understand moving forward what are the requirements for the next 7 weeks. Okay, how do we find the syllabus? Go to the left-hand navigation bar here, right here, click on this link, and we'll open to this page. In this page, you will see a link to the actual syllabus. You click on that link. I'm going to close this page out, and it will open to the syllabus. I already have mine open. The syllabus actually starts with a table of contents. There's a new addition. There are links to the syllabus. And if you link to something in this table of contents, it will help you avoid having to go through the entire document every time you're looking for something. For instance, you say, oh, do we have a required textbook? Well, you would click on textbooks, and that takes you right to the textbook section where you can see there actually is no required textbook for this course. And I will share more about that in a little bit. So let's move down. After the table of contents is course description, and in this course description, you will be able to examine, in this course, you will be examining newly emerging information and mobile health technologies that reshape all aspects of healthcare. And that is the main focus of the course. This is me, Dr. Joyce Taylor. My preferred method of contact is email. I also provide my mobile number. Please note that's for emergency use only. I do ask that you use the Ask Your Instructor blog for any communication throughout the course. This blog is located in the discussion board section. Not only will it help you, but I'm sure all of your peers will benefit by your questions, and it will avoid any redundancy. Let's move down. Course outcomes. What can you expect to do throughout this course? Well, you can expect to analyze the key components of healthcare innovation process, including relevant research. You will be evaluating the role of technology in improving healthcare costs, access, and quality. You will be able to explain the role of health information technology in evidence-based practice and clinical decision making. You will be able to evaluate the ethical, legal, and social issues of application of technology and innovation in healthcare field. And you will be applying concepts of innovation to solve challenges within healthcare practice. You will especially see this in your final project. So moving down, I talked about textbooks. There is no required textbook. However, there is a foundational article which is written by Omachonu. This is Innovation in Healthcare Delivery Systems, a conceptual framework. That innovation framework is what you will be using throughout the entire course. Please upload this article as soon as possible. There's a link in the course room, and there's also a link to the PDF on the website. Please read through it. It's about a 12-page article, but again, it's the foundation for the entire course, and you will be referring to that innovation framework for every single module. Technology requirements are as listed, and that's important because you will be expected to do a short, brief intro video, and at the end, your elevator pitch will be in video form. For evaluation, this is how you will be evaluated throughout the course, your assignment, the percentage, and the course outcomes that each assignment is linked to. The discussion posts are 35% of the grade, which is a large amount, and that's because most of our work is done inside the discussion boards. The reflection paper. Now, the recorded video response participation is a pre-recorded video that I will upload at the beginning of week 1 and in week 4, and you are to view the video. It's a teaching session, and give a brief response in a text form, which you will upload to the Dropbox. And then the final innovation project, which will give you an opportunity to show your creativity as a novice innovator. For general guidelines, please note that all assignments are due by 11:59 p.m. on the day indicated. Most assignments are due Sunday evening. The exception is your final, which is due on Fridays. This is graduate level work. Be mindful of academic rating and the guidelines, and it must follow APA 6th edition. I will put, I have learning material resources for you to use for academic rating. Right here, please note that I do expect that you conduct yourselves professionally in the online course room, and we do have pillars of etiquette that we are to follow at PA College of Health Science. Moving forward, this is a little discussion of what is expected in each assignment, the weekly discussion postings. The initial posts are expected by Thursday night. Your responses are due by Sunday evening. The reflection paper for innovation research application to practice, that'll be due during week 5. And all your assignments have some detailed explanations here and, of course, in the weekly modules. Also, there are rubrics for each assignment, so you will understand the expectations for the assignment. The recorded video sessions are, as I mentioned earlier, it's your response to the recorded teaching videos that I will upload. And of course, your final innovation project, which will give you, as a novice innovator, an opportunity to show your creativity and shine for emerging technologies. Policies which are important, attendance policies. Late assignments, please note there isn't a policy on a late assignment, so you don't incur any penalties. You don't want to lose any points. You want to get full points for all that hard work that you're doing. And lastly, this is the table of, I really have this large. Let me lower it. Just make this smaller. This is a topic content outline, and this I like to download this because you can use it as a checkoff. I'm a highlighter, and I like to highlight what's done, and gives me some motivation to know that I'm moving forward. Well, I hope you found this overview useful, and any questions, please upload to the Ask Your Instructor blog.